Our students had the great opportunity to participate in a wonderful session titled Unbreakable Me, conducted by Miss Neha as part of the Valed Initiatives. The session focused on helping students understand the importance of resilience, how to face challenges with confidence, learn from setbacks, and develop a positive mindset. Through engaging discussions and interactive activities, students explored practical ways to build emotional strength and cope with everyday situations. One of the highlights of the session was the introduction of the BEND framework, which provides students with simple and effective strategies to become more resilient. The session concluded with a self reflection takeaway journal, encouraging students to continue practicing these valuable life skills in their daily lives. We are delighted that our students actively participated and benefited from this enriching experience.